If you have the GSD R14 with Bosch Smart System, you can now enable the auto shift function. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up. First, you'll have to have a few apps installed on your phone, namely the Bosch eBike Flow app and the Rohloff E-14 2.0 app. We'll leave a link down below for you to download the apps. You'll also need to have access to the barcode underneath your Rohloff shifter unit, so I find it best to have your GSD vertically parked for easy access. Start out by opening up the Rohloff app and either scanning or manually entering the code to pair your unit to your phone. Once that's paired, go into settings and update the firmware so that you're on the latest version. Once that's installed, go into the Bosch eBike Flow app and make sure that your GSD has all the latest software installed too. Now that everything's updated, you should be able to see the M next to the gear indicator. And now you're able to change between the three modes: automatic, automatic while coasting, and manual. To shift between the modes, press both shifter buttons simultaneously. You should see the icons changing. Now you may be wondering, what's the difference between the different modes? Well, manual is just how you would regularly ride your bike. Press the shifter buttons to shift gears manually when you need to. M plus is automatic coasting. This means that you shift gears as you would on manual, but when you're coasting, meaning the bike is rolling and you aren't pedaling, the system will automatically change gears to fit your preset cadence. And lastly, automatic. This is where the GSD will automatically shift up or down so that you're always pedaling at the cadence you set, which offers a more simple and easy way to ride your bike. To set your cadence, press and hold the selection button on the LED remote. Select E-Shift. Then you can use the plus and minus buttons to set the cadence higher or lower. Each person's comfortable cadence level will vary, so the best way to find out is just through trial and error. If you like feeling more weight on your pedals, set a lower cadence. And if you want lighter pedaling, set a higher cadence. Similarly, you can now adjust your starting gear directly from the eBike Flow app. Go into Settings, E-Shift, and from there you can set a higher starting gear for a heavier start, or a lower gear for a lighter start. You can also turn off auto downshift if you like. And now your GSD has auto shift enabled, and you never have to touch your shifter again, unless you want to.